Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard. It can be in messages, in notes, in the browser, wherever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen like that, and basically all you have to do is to enter the settings. If for some reason you cannot find them here, the three dots icon, tap on OK. And the settings will be here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this section to have much faster access to it, of course. So let's enter the settings by tapping on them and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all added languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you want to use here. And basically that's all you have to do. So just find it and tap on it. Of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the proper one. And the same situation, again, depending on the language and the keyboard type. So here, as you can see in the order, we've got three different keyboard types, keyboard modes from which we can choose. You can pick only one or pick even all of them. So apply three different keyboards. And sometimes you will be able to pick like 5 different keyboard modes or even only one. It, of course, as I said, depends on the language. So I want to pick this option as I really want to show you the difference between the keyboards. So let me tap on it and take this option, and let me unmark this one. Now let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the order language has been applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got two differences. Right now the only one is visible, but the second one will be visible in a moment. So it is a language key, the globe icon, which will appear right here next to the spacebar, thanks to which we will be able to simply change the language. Just tap on it, and here we've got the order language. And now we can see the second difference, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now we've got Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon, we've got the English option. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change the language to one particular one. All right, so let's enter the settings, tap on the languages. And here from this tab we have to tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and I will remove Urdu because I don't really know this language at all. And then let's tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and it can be any language you want to leave. And as you can see, we don't have, first of all, we don't have the globe icon, and secondly, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only English set. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.